How to change Windows lock screen wallpaper using a keyboard shortcut. To set photos as a lock screen with the keyboard shortcut button, start by opening the picture you want to set as your lock screen. I have opened the on-screen keyboard for better understanding. Click on the picture to select it. Press Ctrl and L on your keyboard. The picture will now be set as your lock screen. Check your lock screen to confirm that the shortcut worked. See, it works. If the shortcut doesn't work, right-click on the desktop. Select Personalize. Go to the lock screen settings. Ensure that picture is selected under the Personalize your lock screen option, or else that shortcut might not work for you. And that's how you can change Windows lock screen wallpaper using a keyboard shortcut. Thanks for watching.